Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing accurate weights and the dry base. Precision matters. First, pulse almond flour, icing sugar, and cocoa. Sift them twice to remove lumps and add air. This prevents cracked shells. Once done, whip 60 g aged egg whites to soft peaks, then add 30 g castor sugar gradually until glossy, stiff peaks form. Make sure to preheat the oven to 150 degrees C and line one tray. This saves time and keeps temperature steady during the critical first bakes. Now you focus on macaronage, the fold that controls rise and texture. Fold the dry mix into the meringue in 3 additions. Scrape the bowl and use a figure-8 motion until batter flows like lava and forms a ribbon. This ensures the right strength versus fluidity. Pipe 3. 5 cm rounds with consistent pressure, then tap the tray 2 or 3 times to pop big air bubbles. Once piped, rest shells 20 to 40 minutes until a dry skin forms. This makes feet develop cleanly in the oven. You finish by baking and assembling. Place the tray in the preheated oven and bake 12 to 14 minutes at 150 degrees C, rotating it halfway to compensate for hot spots, because even heat yields even feet. Cool shells fully on the mat before removal, then match sizes and fill with chocolate ganache. Refrigerate 24 hours for flavor meld. If shells are hollow or chewy, adjust one variable. Reduce macaronage if flat. Increase bake time or lower oven temp slightly if collapsing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.